Solar panel installation is the process of placing solar panels on rooftops, ground mounts, or other structures to harness the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. The installation process usually involves several steps, including site evaluation, design, permitting, and installation. NR House of Distribution is likely a company that specializes in distributing solar panels and related equipment. If you're interested in installing solar panels, you can reach out to NR House of Distribution to inquire about their services and products. When considering solar panel installation, it's important to evaluate your energy needs, available space for installation, and budget. Solar panels can provide significant long-term cost savings on electricity bills, but the upfront costs of installation can be high. Many homeowners choose to finance their solar panel installation through loans or lease agreements. It's also important to work with a licensed and experienced solar panel installer to ensure that your system is designed and installed correctly. The installer should be able to provide a detailed estimate of the costs and benefits of your solar panel system and help you navigate the permitting process. Overall, solar panel installation can be a great way to reduce your carbon footprint and save money on electricity bills. If you're interested in exploring solar panel installation, consider reaching out to NR House of Distribution or another reputable solar panel installer in your area. Thanks for watching our specialization video.